Exercise 2.3, question number 8. A model rocket is launched from the ground. The height h reached by the rocket after t seconds from liftoff is given by h of t equal to minus 5t square plus 100t, 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 20. At what time the rocket is 495 feet above the ground? Given h of t, that is height reached by the rocket in time t, h of t equal to minus 5t square plus 100t, 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 20, and the height travelled by the rocket h is given 495 feet. Given h of t equal to 495, substituting here 495 equal to minus 5t square plus 100t, taking everything left hand side, 5t square minus 100t plus 495 equal to 0, 500, 495 all are divisible by 5, so dividing by 5, t square minus 20t plus 99 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in t, finding suitable pair. T minus 9, t minus 11 equal to 0. T minus 9 equal to 0 gives t equal to 9. T minus 11 equal to 0, t equal to 11. Therefore, when t equal to 9 seconds and when t equal to 11 seconds, the rocket is 495 feet above the ground. Next, question number 9. A plumber can be paid according to the following schemes. In the first scheme, he will be paid rupees 500 plus rupees 70 per hour. And in the second scheme, he will be paid rupees 120 per hour. If he works x hours, then for what value of x does the first scheme give better wages? Number of working hours is x. In the first scheme, wage of plumber is 500 plus rupees 70 per hour. So rupees 500 plus 70 into number of hours x. So 70x. In the second scheme, wage of the plumber is rupees 120 per hour. So rupees 120x. We want to find the value of x, for which the first scheme give better wages. For the first scheme to give better wages, wage in the first scheme should be more than the wage in the second scheme. 500 plus 70x greater than 120x. 500 greater than, taking 70x this side, 120 minus 70x. 500 greater than 120x minus 70x is 50x. This again can be written as 50x less than 500, dividing by 50, x less than 500 by 50, cancelling 500 with 50 10 times, x less than 10. Yes, number of hours is less than 10. Therefore, number of hours should be less than 10 for the first scheme to give better wages. So first scheme la irundhu better salary kedaikanum appdinu sonna number of hours, working hours should be less than 10. Next, question number 10. A and B are working on similar jobs, but their salaries differ by more than rupees 6,000. If B earns rupees 27,000 per month, then what are the possibilities of A's salary per month? A and B salaries differ by more than rupees 6,000. B salary is rupees 27,000 per month. We do not know the salary of A. Let A's salary per month be rupees X. Now, difference of their salary is more than rupees 6,000. We do not know who gets better, more salary. எக்ஸ் வந்து ஏ வந்து பியை விட அதிகமாக வாங்கலாம் அல்லது பி வந்து ஏவை விட அதிகமாக வாங்கலாம். Therefore, A salary minus B salary greater than 6,000 or B salary minus A salary is greater than 6,000. There are two possibilities. So, X minus 27,000 greater than 6,000 or 27,000 minus X greater than 6,000. Considering the first possibility, taking minus 27,000 this side, we get X greater than 6,000 plus 27,000. Adding, we get X greater than 33,000. The second one is 27,000 minus X greater than 6,000. Bringing 6,000 this side, minus X taking the other side. 27,000 minus 6,000 greater than X. Subtracting 27,000 minus 6,000 is 21,000 greater than X, or X less than 21,000. So we get these two results, that is X less than 21,000 or X greater than 33,000. So A would salary either should be less than 21,000 or A's salary should be greater than 33,000. So the conclusion is, therefore A's salary per month be less than rupees 21,000 or greater than rupees 33,000. These are the two possibilities.